indlela ozizwa ngayo.
Uyakhisa nje kodwa akaze kwanele.
Mina owenza ukuthi lo mbono lo ungafiki. Yes, bengiphila lokho nje ukuthi angiphikisani nawe.
Akenze into yakhe yesithembu.
So that is why ngikhala ngibuka yena ukuthi today ngiphambi kwakhe akanginqabela ukuthi ngithathe umfazi kodwa khona abantu abanginqamelayo. I feel abuzwe kakhulu Macele.
Ukuthi iseleko isithembu owasifunayo kuma conditions owangitshela kona did you achieve kona na la nje umuntu acela akubheki.
Yazi ngiyeloke ngasho umamkhulu ngaphezulu kwaNkosikazi.
So guys, in this episode we learned that Umacele is not as strong as she portrays herself kusho, and that she's been supporting and protecting Umusa over and over again. Dala akhala Umacele guys kodwa I think ikra yakhe bengazwakali kangako. Umusa uze washo laphayana ukuthi umhlukumeze kakhulu Umacele emotionally when it comes to taking wives and wives after wives. Umacele we all know ukuthi number 1. Irregardless yokuthi uMayeni number 1 ngokujola noMusa, and then Umacele number 1 ngokushada uMusa. So Umacele is one of the wife or accepte uMasawulu aphinde accepta uMayeni. So she's been accepting all these wives afuna ukuncedisa uMusa on building le legacy afuna ukuyibuilda and helping him to make a strong polygamy. But we can see now njengoba alaphayana ku-therapy session noMusa, uMusa emtshela ukuthi draw into oyifilayo phakathi, and people were making jokes bese udraw ibheka ebheke phezulu nebheka ebheke phansi. No, she was simply showing Umusa ukuthi I've been helping you to build and build and build, but awaneliseki. And I heard her saying we are builder but ufaka isitina esi-wrong. Why ufaka isitina esi-wrong? So lapho sengiyacabanga nami yasho ngithi or usho uSamki, but she's been with uSamki, so why is he Umusa is building but ufaka isitina esi-wrong? But nje guys, irregardless of everything, ngokubona kwami mina Umacele is just anyeke yena sithi u-trauma bonding ne. The only thing esingayisho ngoMacele ukuthi u-acceptile ukuthi uMusa umuntu onjani, and she dala like detachile from uMusa, like dala detachile, and she's like naga isithembu sakho mina uzuza kimi mawuza kimi. Because nanoma uMusa sekeza azomtshela ngendaba zaseMzumbe, she was like mina ngicela ungangikhaleli ngendaba zaseMzumbe. And she also mentioned that yena uzithathela abantwana bakhe wise distance awazidlalela la hlala khona. So Umacele guys, she's also tired naye. She's tired. There's this slow business makhumalo ukhathele mangwabi ukhathele noMacele nje uma no-actor strong for ubaba yakhe, but you can see ukuthi ukhathele. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.